can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, the Sandbox. The last 1 week has seen it rally up by 20%. The last 1 month has seen it rally up by 25%. Good times returning back to the altcoin market. There's currently extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, the king of the market, trades above $90,000. How high will the Sandbox go in the coming days and the coming weeks? In this video, take a look at the Sandbox US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. Can we blast into you new yearly highs in 2024? The highest we've seen the Sandbox token go is around the $0.82 level. We are going to face resistance as we see huge pumps in the coming days and the coming weeks. We'll take a look at the Sandbox performance against Bitcoin, the Sandbox performance against Ethereum, and we'll also look at the Sandbox market cap. Can we rally above the $1 billion level, $2 billion, maybe even get to as high as $5 billion before the end of the bull market? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. If you're new to this channel, if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. If you want to become a member, link in the description. Let's get down to business. The Sandbox market cap sits around $860 million, 24-hour trading volume of more than $230 million. Out of 3 billion Sand tokens, we have 2.39 billion of them in circulation. The all-time high happened 25th of November 2021. 3 years ago, the Sandbox was trading for as high as $8.44. Right now, it's down 95% from that all-time highs. If you want to get some Sandbox tokens, you can get it on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on OKX, on Upbit, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Sandbox tokens right there. Launched in 2011, the Sandbox is a blockchain-based virtual world allowing users to create, build, buy, and sell digital assets in form of game by combining the power of centralized autonomous organization and non-fungible tokens. The Sandbox created a centralized platform for thriving gaming community. And if you take a look at the altcoin market, huge double-digit gains over the last 1 week. Even the Sandbox rose up by 30%, which is nice to see. But guys, there are these key levels you need to watch out for before we rally to new all-time highs. There are these key levels that if we don't blast through, we might just be seeing a relief rally. First, the $0.48 to the $0.49 level. The Sandbox couldn't hold that level of support, which eventually led us to Goblin Town, waiting for one big rally to blast above that $0.49 level from where we're currently trading right now. The Sandbox we need to pump for us to get there, but for us to blast through new yearly highs, that's for us to rally above where the highest point we have traded in 2024, which is the $0.78 level that we're trading in March. We need to see a 105% move to the upside for the Sandbox. A 105% move can happen very quickly. The conditions in the market are very suitable for a big rally. If you take a look at the cryptocurrency market, there's extreme greed. Extreme greed has always been a good time to sell. But guys, before you sell in extreme greed, you're going to make life-changing gains. Most of the gains you're going to make in the cryptocurrency market are going to come in the final days of the bull market. And I'm not going to be shocked if we're in the final days of the bull market. Bitcoin is trading above $90,000, which means there's a wealth effect in the market. A lot of market participants that bought Bitcoin at bottom are looking for altcoins to throw those Bitcoin in to multiply their Bitcoin. And I believe the Sandbox will be one of those altcoins. If you take a look at what the Sandbox did in the previous cycle, it was one of the altcoins to hold. One Bitcoin in the Sandbox in November of 2020, guys, would have returned multiple Bitcoin. By the end of the bull market, one Bitcoin would have given you more than 198 Bitcoins by November of 2021. So things can get crazy and things can get very crazy quickly. Your own job is to pay attention. Your own job is to take advantage of those opportunities. The $1.4 level will be one important level. I'm sure a lot of whales will be selling some positions there. The last time the Sandbox was trading around that $1.4 level was in July of 2022. For us to get there, the Sandbox, we need to see more than a 300% pump to the upside. And the 300% pump to the upside, guys, can happen in the twinkle of an eye. Now, for the Sandbox to continue that impressive rally, maybe to even get to as high as the $3.8 level, maybe even attempt to get to new all-time highs, we'll need to see the Sandbox have a monster rally. So I'm not going to be expecting that kind of outrageous new all-time highs pump. Even though for us to just get to the $2.8 level, which is not a new all-time high, which is a very strong resistance level, the Sandbox will need to give us around the 700% pump. I know it has done it in the past, but this time, We might not see it rally that hard. If you take a look at what Sandbox did in the ending phases of the previous bull market, the Sandbox went from $0.58 getting to as high as $8.5, rallying by around 1,300% in just 63 days. So you don't want to rule out crazy pumps happening before the end of the year. If you take a look at the Sandbox performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, we're still expecting that 500% rally to the upside. That can happen very quickly. With Bitcoin trading at $90,000, expect market participants to start flipping their Bitcoin to the altcoin market. What would that lead to? That will lead to these altcoins pumping aggressively to the moon. And the second participants that may be affected is those that have been shorting the altcoin market since the top over the last 3 years. At some point in time, they will be wrong, and I believe we're getting very close to that time where we'll see the Sandbox rallying aggressively against Bitcoin. And against Ethereum, similar story. It had a huge pump in 2021, and through 2022 and 2023, it has been dumping to Goblin Town. In 2024, before we end the year, we expect to see a rally to the upside. We expect to see the Sandbox outperforming Ethereum, and we expect to see its market cap going for that $2 billion region. The $2 billion region is going to be the most important level over the coming days and coming weeks. We have to pay close attention to that $2 billion region. From where we're currently trading, the Sandbox will need to give us a rally of more than 126% for us to get there. But guys, that will be a very important level. A lot of whales will be selling if we get there. We have seen the Sandbox rally back to that $2 billion region 3 different times over the last 2 years, and we've gotten rejected there. Maybe, just maybe, the 4th time is a charm. Or maybe, just maybe, that's where the rally will end. But if the rally gets aggressive, the rally gets very crazy, we can still make an attempt to rally to as high as $4 billion for us to get to new all-time highs. The Sandbox market cap will need to go up by 780%. Extreme greedy cryptocurrency markets, altcoins pumping aggressively to the moon. We're in alt season, guys. Drop it out to the comment section. Which altcoins are you buying in the coming days and the coming weeks? Do you see the Sandbox rallying to new all-time highs? What's your price target for the Sandbox in this alt season? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.